Hi everyone, it's Sue. Welcome to my channel today. I have a couple of unboxings. One of them is the Paper Club and the other one is from Which Crafts Do You Do? And I don't think it's a very big order. I can't actually remember what I ordered. I know I had some digital stuff and some other stuff as well. So very quickly, let's just open this one. Now this is my final one. I did sign up for 3 months, so this is the final one. So now I have to make the decision as to whether I want to continue or not. At the moment I actually haven't decided. Might actually depend on what's in this one, which I'm assuming this one's the June one. It must be. So okay, let's have a look. Alright, so we've got some tissue paper and I'll just get rid of that. Okay, nice colour this time. I like this one. Alright, let's have a quick look. What have we got? Okay, so we have the postcard that you usually get, Bringing Joy with Flowers. Okay, so that sounds good. The description leaflet and the usual cards that we've got. Happy birthday, here's to another year of being awesome. And it looks like a blank one, I'm assuming. So they're quite nice. Let's see what else we got. 5 gift tags, string included. So there's some little gift tags that I can use. We have 2 pens. Gee, they're very narrow, thin. Let's have a look. Oh, it's got like a little cap on it. Where's some scrap paper I can use to scribble on? Okay, so that one's black. It's got a very, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but a very fine tip. So it's kind of like a very fine tip felt pen. So, and that's black. So that's quite nice. Be able to use that. And we also have a green. I'm assuming it's green. Yes, it's green. So same again, but in green. So they're always useful. Always use different felt pens. Oh, and we have a tiny little ruler. Oh, that's nice. I like that. It's a nice, good short one. I do have a couple, but I don't know where they've gone. So that's really good. I'm happy with that. And a writing set, 10 sheets with envelopes. So we've got the craft envelope. And we have some pink paper with some flowers on. It's kind of got like a pearl look to it as well. So they're quite nice as well. Be able to use those in my journals or just for quick notes. And this looks like it's wrapping paper. Looks quite large too, actually. So, and it's got, looks like it's got the Australian sort of gum nut flower on there as well. So that's quite pretty. And what have we got here? To get your hands on a free gift. Okay, so I think that's in it every single time. So that's what this month's was. So that's not too bad. We got some pens and some cards. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. These ones I was thinking you could actually cover the back of that and use that just as a postcard. So I might actually do that. So I'm happy with that. Still don't know whether I'm going to continue with the subscription or not. I guess I'll have to have a think about it. The problem I find is that I'll end up with a whole bunch of cards and things that, you know, you can only give so many away or use so many. So I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, now this one, it's pretty light, so I don't think there was too much in here. As I said, this one was from Which Crafts Do You Do, which is in Victoria. Actually, it's not too far from me. If I was allowed to travel past my 25-kilometre not curfew, but restrictions, I could probably go and pick it up. But, you know. All right, ooh, more tissue paper. Excellent. And I might just... Okay. Let's have a look. And we'll get rid of the box again. Oh, okay. Oh, yes, now it's coming back to me. Okay, yes, I did order some sari silk, or I think it was sari silk. Actually, it looks really nice. You can see the different, we've got some little sequins on that one, and that one as well. So, oh, look at that. That's a nice packet, actually. I'm really happy with that. Excellent. What else we got? Oh, some Lindy's Starburst sprays, and it looks like I ordered a purple colour. Sweet violet, purple teal. Really don't know why I keep ordering the same colours, but that's fine. I'll use that, so that's really lovely. And I'm sure this is just, yep, the thank you gift with some little butterfly and a leaf. So thank you for that. And we have the paper. This, it's a wrapping paper, I believe, but it's got all these portraits on there, which I quite like. Oops, sorry, that one might be better. So that's really nice as well. And some decoupage papers. Yes, this looked gorgeous when I saw it. It's 4 sheets. I wonder if it's 4 the same. I'm assuming it is. No, actually, that's different to this one. Where does it open from? Must be the top. Let's have a look. Okay. It'd be nice if they are all different, actually. Okay, so we've got this one. And okay, that's the same as that one. So it's 2 of that one, and obviously 2 of this one as well. Yep. But when I got this one, I thought the birds in particular, I thought they were absolutely gorgeous. So that one, I'm looking forward to using those. Not sure what I'll use them in yet, but I'll find something. And this one with the flowers. And then we've got that side as well, so I'm assuming there's 2 of each as well. So I'll be able to use those as well. So that was just a quick video showing some of the things that I've got recently. I have been trying to limit my spending on stuff because I really don't need anything. But, you know, it's nice to support businesses as well. Alright, so thank you very much for joining me for that quick video. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now.